Good morning YouTube and welcome back to the channel. Hope you guys are all doing well. So right now it is the middle of the night. It is currently, let's see, 2:10 in the morning and we're sipping a coffee because
cheers.
because we're going to go and climb Mount Batur, which is an active volcano in Bali, and we're going to go and watch the sunrise from the volcano. So Mount Batur is 1,717 metres, so we're going to go and climb it, starting at about 500 metres, watch the sunrise and then head to some hot springs afterwards. So come along with us. We are, well, I'm kind of terrified because I don't know what to expect from it. But yeah, hopefully we get a good sunrise from it and hope you guys enjoy this one. So that's us arrived at the starting point and it's currently 3:37. So we're going to get a quick coffee and then we're going to head up the mountain.
This for you?
Thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you.
And you more? I think you have.
Yeah, but fine. Julie! Okay, so this is us. You ready, look?
Ready to rock and roll.
It's oh, we're a bit nervous. Don't really know what to think. Oh, but we can already see people like climbing the volcano, so like you can see like little lights and stuff like that there moving, like that's people already climbing it. Oh, nervous. There's like this like really strong smell of onions, which is really not nice. Yeah, like I think they're growing like up the sides of the mountain, but it's so strong the smell. So we have stopped at our first point. It's so busy, like there's literally people everywhere. And what time are we at? Does anyone have the time?
4:45.
It is 4:45 in the morning, so we're off to a good start. So we're going to keep going. It's getting a little bit steeper now, but I'm starting to break out in a sweat, but I think we'll be alright. I think it's pretty manageable so far. Oh. So we are halfway and I think we've got about just under an hour till sunrise, so hopefully we'll get there in time. We're a couple of men down, but we're still a strong team. Whoa, started to get like a little bit more steep now, and sun's starting to rise. Don't know how much time I've got left. Whoa.
Oh, lovely.
Excuse me.
Oh, sorry.
Wow.
Beautiful.
How many more minutes?
Yes. 5 minutes.
5 minutes.
Yeah.
Did you hear that?
I'm going in.
5 minutes. Woo.
3 minutes. 3 minutes to our place.
3 minutes.
3 minutes, okay. We can deal with that. How are we coping? Good. Okay, so we've made it to the top, but it's very busy. What is Luke wowing at?
Look at the fucking smoke coming out.
Whoa. Wow. We made it! Finally! So, we'll find out that it's the first time in 1 month that you can see the sun.
1 month, yeah.
First time in 1 month that you can see the sunrise, the actual sun itself. So that's amazing, like so good. That's steam that's actually coming from the volcano. It's not actually, I thought it was someone who'd made a fire. And it's the same up there as well. So what? You can boil the eggs with the steam?
With steam, yeah.
Wow.
We need 15 minutes only.
15 minutes? Oh, monkey's eating a boiled egg.
He knows not to eat the shell.
Very good at working. I just get distracted and stuff.
Monkey business, eh?
I'm here for a month.
So now we're heading round to the crater of the volcano. So we're going to be able to see right round, and yeah, I think we're going to take a different route down, like back down again. Oh, steam.
Roasting, by the way.
It's really warm.
The rocks are really hot, man.
Whoa, it's so steamy. Like, my glasses are pure steaming up.
Oh, where's it coming from then?
From there, down there, all the holes.
Whoa, I'm getting a nice hot bit in my bum
Oh,
here. It's like putting your bum against the radiator.
Apparently you broke an egg in it.
Yeah, I know, by the way.
Oh, Jesus Christ, man.
Steam connection.
What's
Steam connection with the fire. So when we blow with the fire, will be more smoke coming out. You can see.
okay?
See?
Whoa! Whoa! That's cool, man!
This is without the fire, will be nothing.
Woo! There is the end of the hike. Just a little heads up if you are thinking about doing this. Coming down, it's volcanic rock, so it's really fine, and it made it really slippery coming down, so I couldn't even vlog coming down because my camera was in my bag and I was just like, I need all my hands right now to try and get down. So something to bear in mind if you're going to come is to just make sure that you have shoes that have a good grip coming down. Hot springs is, we think it's like mountain water, and like all the pools are all different temperatures, and the setting is absolutely stunning. It's beautiful. However, there are flies everywhere, and oh, my feet are burning, because you're obviously in the middle of like nature, so that's kind of the only thing that I would say. But yeah, it's really nice and the views are absolutely beautiful. So guys, that is us back in a bed. Oh my god, it's like 12, half 12 maybe, just before 1. So that's been like 12 hours on the go kind of thing, and we are starving. Oh, just want to eat everything that I can think of in sight. Really enjoyed that though. That has been an absolute highlight. That was just amazing. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Remember to like, subscribe, turn on all post notifications, all that good stuff, you know the drill, and we'll see you all in the next one, guys. Bye!